Hey, it's Mr. Redstone, and in this video we are going to be solving a couple of inequalities and then graphing the result on a number line. In a previous video, I always used this DCI method where we combine like terms, and then we use inverse operations. That still goes for inequalities. So I'm going to start by distributing that negative 3 into the 1 minus x. That gives me minus 3 plus 3x. And that's going to be greater than 4x plus 5. So now that I've distributed, I can combine my like terms. I've got 5x subtract 3 is greater than 4x plus 5. So I could get rid of the 4x or the 5x. I'm going to get rid of that 4x by subtracting away 4x from both the left and the right-hand side. I'm left with x subtract 3 is greater than 5. We add 3 to both sides, and we get an answer of x is greater than 8. So we don't just have one answer, we actually have infinite answers. Everything greater than 8. But it's important to specify that 8 itself is not an answer. And the way we do that is with an open circle. Whenever you see an open circle, it means it does not equal. But since we're talking about the numbers greater than 8, we're going to shade the number line going to the right. So any number that you pick greater than 8 would make the left greater than the right-hand side. Next example. Again, I'm going to start by distribution. Negative 6x is less than or equal to that negative 2 groups of 2x plus 4. I'm going to take that negative 2 and I'm going to multiply it by both terms inside that bracket to get negative 4x subtract 8. Where I've got variables on both sides, to get rid of that negative 4x, I add 4x to both sides. So now I have negative 2x is less than or equal to negative 8. And here's the one exception when it comes to solving inequalities. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, we have to change the direction of the inequality sign. So it's not going to be less than or equal anymore. It's going to be x is greater than or equal to 4. If you don't believe me, choose a number that's 4 or greater, substitute it into the original inequality, and you'll see the left is less than or equal to the right. So unlike the last question, 4 this time is a solution, and the way we show that is with a solid dot. And since we're talking with the numbers greater than 4, we shade to the right. That's it for this video. I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.